What? Get out of your room!
What? Yes, Father?
You need to go to school today. You're old enough now to go to school.
But I don't want to go to school.
Well, too bad. Now you go to school. I'll give you something to show you the way.
I remember the way, Father.
Okay, now go.
Yes, Father. Oh, sometimes I really feel upset. I don't like going to school. Okay, go to school. Ow! That hurt. I'm not doing that again. Okay. I didn't see where I was going. I wasn't paying attention. Well, let's just get to school. I don't want my dad to get even more ticked off at me for not going to school. I hate school, though. I'm out of breath. Come on, Bomb Bell. Come on, Fart Bell. We have to go to school. I don't want to go to school. I know the way because we had to take my big brother there and now he's moved out. But still, why? I don't like going to school. Okay. Alright. Let's go. And for some reason, there's a big hand or a pointy thing floating around everywhere. Well, who cares? Just a big pointy floaty thing. That couldn't do any harm, could it? No. Ow! Just poked me. Ow. Ow. Oh, that actually hurts. Come on. Okay, we're here at school. I'm gonna have to listen to my dad blab and blab about some junk. And Feldma, I think that's how you pronounce her name, and Heather. Ugh, I hate this place. My brother said he loves it, but I hate everything he loves because it's stupid. Except for Father. Father's the headmaster here. Father! Father!
Yes, Amalia? So did you arrive here safely? It wasn't that bad, was it?
Father! Why do I have to go to school? Please don't make it that boring.
Now, just go away.
Okay, I need to play with, where are they? Bomb Bell, Fart Bell, where are you? I'll just go somewhere a bit far away and then they'll come. Oh, here they are, look! Let's play with them. Do they have any toys? Oh yeah, here's a toy. Let's play with my dragon. Bomb Bell and Fart Bell aren't very happy, so I'm gonna play with them. Hey, did you see the trick they did? They were just walking on it, balancing on it. That is so cool. Not many dragons can do that, you know. That's awesome. They just did it again. They're amazing. Those two are just amazing, don't you think?
Yeah!
They're amazing. Oh, excuse me. I did a burp because I was just eating. And now I can do more burps at school. That will probably disrupt the class. Yes. Okay, they're happy. Let's go back. Where do I go? Oh, my first class is with Heather. Okay, Heather? Yes? Who might you be? I'm Amalia. I'm a new student. Well, it's nice to meet you, Amalia. Are you going well? Is it okay? Have you settled in with the headmaster? Your father yet? Have you both settled in? Yes, we have settled in, but I wish we didn't have to come to school. I hate school. Okay, so we're almost the last ones here. Our next class is in the wilderness with Gobba. Okay, let's go to the wilderness. Okay, let's just keep going. I don't want to take off my dad again because I missed class. Because my brother, I wasn't looking where I was going again. As I was saying, I don't want to take off my dad. I don't want to take off my dad again because my brother, he always misses out on classes, and I don't want to take off my dad like that. Pointy thingy, poke that dragon. Poke, poke, poke. Uh-oh. I don't think that dragon liked it. Run! Gobba! Gobba, where's Gobba? Gobba?
Amalia!
Yes, Father.
Gobba is not here. Instead, he has taken enough courage to go to Ice Storm Island instead. So that is where you are going to be taught. Go to Ice Storm Island. The pointy thing will show you the way, okay? Look, it's pointing to where you need to go. Now, just follow it.
Okay. I'll just follow that pointy thing. So I need to go this way. This way? It looks very cold out there. I'm just gonna get changed first. But do I have anything good to eat? Oh, wow, that's all I have. Wood logs. Thanks so much, Dad. All you gave me is wood logs.
Well, it's the best I can do. I didn't have much supplies when I was here a long time ago. I only had those wood logs. So we've had those wood logs for a long, long time.
Okay, Dad. I'm going to get changed into something warmer. And I don't need this helmet on when I'm there.
No, you do not need that helmet on when you're there.
Okay, now I've changed into something warmer. I guess we can go there. But it's going to be so boring. I don't really like school, and everything there is boring, so that's going to be boring as well. Let's just do as Dad says. I don't want to get in trouble. Yeah, I sometimes call him Dad. So, my dragon's holding the switch on his face. See this where I'm going there. Yes, never do that again, Fart Bell. That hurts. Gobber? Gobber, where are you? Gobber! Gobber! Oh, it's so cold. Gobber!
Yes, I'm sorry, but Gobber is not here. You are actually going to be taught by the archaeologist and Hiccup and Astrid and everyone else there. The other people are students, just like you. But you are going to be staying here for a long time until few more days, okay?
Yes, Father.
Okay. Have a good time. Please, don't be naughty like your brother.
Yes, Father. Finally, he's gone. Oh, hi, Hiccup.
Hi. Are you the new student? Oh, yes, you must be the new student. You must be
Amalia Bunnybell.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Amalia Bunnybell. I hope I hope you've been enjoying school.
Yeah, I guess I sort of have. Note to self. I hate school. Yeah, I've been enjoying it. Note to self. I hate school so much. Note to self. Do not think that I like school, because I hate school. Note to self.
Over.
So, Hiccup, why are we here? Why can't we go back there? And where's Gobber?
Gobble needs some time off.
Gobber's very ill.
So Gobble needs some time off while I'll be teaching you. And because Gobber's ill, we can't go to the wilderness, so we have to stay here and help the archaeologist.
Oh, but I hate it here. It's so cold. Well, I have a job for you. Go to Mildew's hut, and if you get hungry, go to Mildew's hut and steal some cabbages, okay? I'm hungry now. I'm going.
Wait! You don't know where Mildew's hut is. I'm going to get the pointy thing that your father sent you to lead you there.
Okay, thanks, Hiccup. I wasn't making fun of your name. I was just saying it. It's telling me to go this way, okay? I think Hiccup wants me to go around the back of his house, then he doesn't see me, because it would be very convenient that he's going to be out the front. And he was, but he couldn't see me. Okay. I got some cabbages. Let's go. Hey! What do you think you're doing with my cabbages? Part 1 complete. I'll make part 2 soon. You just hang on tight.